Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're giving you an exclusive first look at the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, thanks to a hands-on video leaked on Reddit and confirmed by reliable Twitter sources. Let's dive into the exciting details and see what Samsung has in store for us with their latest flagship. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra features a boxy design with more rounded edges, making it more comfortable to hold. The slightly curved display includes a punch-hole camera, moving away from the under-display camera seen in some other models. It's also thinner and lighter compared to the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The volume rocker and power button are conveniently located on the right side, and the phone boasts 4 rear cameras, including wide dual telephoto and ultra-wide lenses. Running on the new One UI 7.0, there's a noticeable new design that enhances the user experience. As expected, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra comes with the S Pen, reinforcing its position as a premium productivity phone. It's powered by the next-gen Snapdragon 8 Elite chip globally, with no Exynos chip for the series due to previous performance and yield issues. This hardware upgrade promises a smoother and faster performance, making it a powerhouse for any task. Internally, Samsung has made some significant changes. Several senior executives were fired due to poor performance in the semiconductor sector. The Exynos 2500 chip project has been delayed, and Samsung has lost clients like Google, which shifted to TSMC for the Pixel 10. These internal adjustments reflect Samsung's commitment to improving their technology and maintaining their market position. Looking forward, there are rumors of a potential collaboration with OpenAI to integrate ChatGPT's capabilities into Galaxy I. Expected AI enhancements in One UI 7.0 are set to boost the Galaxy S25 Ultra's features, making it even more user-friendly and intelligent. These advancements could set a new standard for smartphone AI integration. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra showcases major design refinements and performance improvements. Samsung's significant internal restructuring highlights the challenges they face in the chipset market. However, the promising AI upgrades hint at a future-ready flagship that's poised to impress. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for all the latest tech news.